Welcome to North Bay. In this video, we're going to be spending the day in North Bay and showing you some of the many attractions that you can do if you're visiting the city. There are so many more attractions though, we're not going to be able to do them all today, so let me know your favorites in the comments below and we're going to show you what we get up to. North Bay is located 3.5 hours north of Toronto and about 4 hours west of Ottawa and is the gateway to the north. This city is nestled between two incredible lakes, Lake Nipissing and Trout Lake, making it a perfect destination for those who want to be out on the water, fishing, boating, kayaking, or swimming. It's a great city if you like the outdoors, and in the winter, this city offers even more outdoor activities like skiing, skating, ice fishing, and more. There are also many great local businesses in the area to visit, so North Bay really offers something for everyone. The first stop on our day in North Bay is at Duchesnay Falls Trail. We're going to see the waterfall. So far it's been a fairly easy trail, although finding the right path was a bit of a challenge. The path is not accessible. There's lots of routes and a few areas where you need to actually climb down a little bit, but we've already made it. The trails to the falls can be accessed from Highway 17 where we were, or from behind the Education Center at the university. Hundreds of hikers visit the trails in every season to enjoy these beautiful falls and beautiful nature setting. And from the website, it says that the trails are open in all 4 seasons. The hike to get to the falls was actually much shorter than I thought it was going to be. However, I recommend wearing appropriate footwear because I'm just wearing my Birkenstocks, but closed-toed shoes would be a definite plus if you're on this trail because it is rooty and rocky and there are some uneven parts. So not accessible, like I said. We parked off of Highway 17 in a little parking lot, which was actually super close to get to the falls. There's a little path at the back of the lot. Take that, it's about a 5-minute walk into the forested area, and then you'll be right at the falls. And another good thing to note if you are coming is that there is a whole network of trails here that you can do. So if you don't just want to see the falls like us, you can actually spend a day or a few hours, depending on how quick you are, just hiking through these trails. And they're nice and shaded as well, so you don't get bogged down by direct sunlight.
It's nice.
And it's Ellen's mortal enemy, so we have sunscreen just in case. Another thing to do if you're in North Bay is come to the Heritage Carousel and Railway Company. You can go on the carousel rides here or take a little train ride. It seems like it's a very popular attraction for families with young kids. At the Heritage Railway and Carousel Company, kids and adults can ride the miniature train around the scenic track and the 2 carousels for a fun, nostalgic activity. The tickets were actually very reasonably priced, making this a pretty affordable activity. But be sure to bring cash because the sign says cash only at the ticket booth. North Bay Marina is also another popular spot you could add to your list if you're in the city. While we were there, we were enjoying watching the boats go in and out of the marina. And if you want to bring your own boat, there is also a boat launch you can use here for a fee. I thought it was a great area to go for a stroll along the paved boardwalk area, and if you're interested in getting out on the water, it could be a nice spot to launch a kayak. And while you're near the marina, you can also dine on the boat, also known as the Chief Commanda. This 99-foot steel-hulled boat was the first steel-hulled passenger vessel of its size on Lake Nipissing. It was built in 1946 in Toronto. Today it's set up as a restaurant where you can eat on the deck or out on the patio, so it's definitely a popular attraction to check out. And North Bay has a variety of beaches that you can go to and spend the day. This one here is right by the marina. This beach is located right by King's Landing Boardwalk and has a beautiful sandy beach for swimming. Right behind the beach is a large playground area, so it's definitely a good spot for families with kids. And if you're looking for a treat, you can walk down the boardwalk to get a freshly scooped ice cream. Or while you're there, you can get tickets to go on the Chief Commanda too, a boat that does cruises to Manitou Islands or Calendar Bay. But if you don't have time to take a boat tour like us, you can still admire the boat right up close at the dock, and even watch some of the people fishing along the pier. Another thing to do in North Bay is come to New Ontario Brewing Company. We're here right now and they just had a live musician playing. We're sitting outside in their beautiful fake grass area with tables and umbrellas and enjoying the beautiful day. There are a few different breweries in the area, so you can choose one that's closer to where you are. We enjoyed the outside patio at this one and the beer was pretty good. If you're in North Bay, another attraction you should add to your list is the Laurentian Woods Conservation Area. There are 10 kilometers or more of trails here, and it's a beautiful area to go on a nice leisurely hike and enjoy some nature. The hiking trails are also pretty easy so far. They've all been very level or boardwalk areas, so pretty accessible for the section that we did.
Good day to get out the bird watching app to see what birds are in the area and mark them off.
You can also head to Birchaven Cove, or the Cove as it is also known, for a lovely beach area. It's along a very secluded road, so there is parking when you get to the end, which fills up very quickly, I'm learning. It is absolutely packed right now, and it looks like a beautiful beach area to spend the day. As you can see here, the parking lot was packed, so this is quite the popular location for a beach day. I'd recommend getting there early to get a parking spot. And lastly, no visit to North Bay would be complete without a visit to Lee Park to check out the Gateway to the North sign for a photo op. Plus, there's a historic warplane in front of it with a monument and a nice big grassy area, perfect for a picnic or just to stretch your legs from the long drive to North Bay. And like I said, these were just a few of the many activities and attractions you can find in the city, but I hope these can be helpful for you if you're planning a visit in the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing around the city of North Bay and what this city has to offer. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more camping and travel videos coming soon.